Okay, good morning everyone. So now we are discussing the Poisson distribution. In case of Poisson distribution, you will get question in this way that they will ask you to construct the Poisson distribution in case of the simple and cumulative, and they will give you the number of trial and probability of success, and they will ask you to estimate the value from a numbers. For example, in this case they are asking you to estimate from 1 to 3. So they will give you the value of x, p and n. And in case of the Poisson distribution, to apply the formula, we need the mean value. So that's why I have estimated it using the green. So to estimate it, we have to simply multiply the two values. We have to multiply the number of trials and the probability of success to get the mean value. So now we are moving to how to apply the formula in case of the Poisson distribution. So in case of Poisson distribution, as they are asking you to estimate the mean value for simple and cumulative, so we will apply both the formula. And as we are applying the formula, we will start from the Poisson. We will start from the is equal to, and we will write Poisson. So in this case also it will show you the formula, and now when you will double click, you will get the formula also. So what is the value of x for which you want to calculate? The value of x is 1. And what is the mean value? So we have already estimated the mean value. So while doing calculation for Poisson distribution, first of all, you need to estimate the mean value. In this case, the mean value is 2. And then they're asking you whether you want to calculate the cumulative or not. In this case, we are estimating the simple. So we will write the false and bracket close, enter. Right? And in this case, we know that the mean value will remain same for 1, 2, 3 or all the x values we can say. So what we have to do, we have to use the dollar sign. We have to fix the mean value using the dollar sign. So we will write $C $4. So make sure you are using dollar signs, one for the row and one for the column to fix a particular cell. So in this case, in this way, we will estimate the simple, and now we will estimate the cumulative. So we will apply almost same formula. At the end, the formula will change by using true. So we will write is equal to Poisson. So now it is showing the Poisson bracket open for which we want to calculate the cumulative. For first we want to estimate, means when the value of x is 1, at that time we want to calculate. So we are selecting 1 as the value of x. Then the mean value is 2 in this case also. So we are selecting C4, comma, then in this case, as we are estimating cumulative, we will use true and bracket close. We will use true and bracket close. And here also, as we know that the mean value will remain same for all the value of x, what we will do, we have to use the value of dollar sign. So here we are using $C $4, and then we have fixed, this means we have fixed the mean value, then press enter. So this is the value for the cumulative, and in this case we can drag it simply to estimate the value for the 2 and 3, or in this case as they are asking you to estimate from 1 to 3, so we can estimate the 1 or 3. And if they are asking for 10, 20, so whatever value they are estimating, you will just write the value in the x column 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till the value which they are given to you, and then drag it normally. So in this way we can estimate we can construct the Poisson distribution when value of n and p is given to you. Now we are moving to the second question that is related. Now we are doing the second question, which is based on the binomial distribution. So in case of binomial distribution also, they are asking you to estimate the simple and cumulative, and here they will give you the value of n and p. N is the number of trial, p is the probability of success. So probability of success will be higher in case of the binomial and lower in case of the Poisson distribution. And in case of binomial distribution, there is no need to estimate the value of mean as per the formula. And in this case, in this question, they are asking you to estimate the value of x from 1 to 20. So we will do the question. We will estimate the value from 1 to 20. So here also they are asking you to estimate the simple and cumulative. So we are starting from simple. So we will start from is equal to. And as the question is related to the binomial distribution, we will write bino. So it will automatically show you the formula. And in this case, it is showing the formula also, means what will be the sequence it is showing you. So number, the first is number. So for which number you want to estimate? I want to estimate for the first. And how many trials do we have? We have 20 trials in total. Then what is the probability of success? The probability of success is 0.5. And here also it is asking whether you are estimating for the cumulative or for the simple one. So here we are estimating from, in this cell we are estimating from the simple. So we are writing false and bracket close, enter. So this is the value, and here also we have to make sure that we need to fix the value of n and p. So we have to fix the value of n and p. So we have fixed using the dollar sign. Again we have used the dollar sign for the G5, means G and 5, G and 6. So we have to fix both the value, number of trials, and we have to fix the number of trials and the probability of success. Then press enter. So this is the value. And what you can do, you can just double click here. It will show you the value for the all the, means it will show you the value from 1 to 20. Now we are moving for the cumulative. In cumulative also we will apply in the same way. We will write the bino. So it will show you the formula. So name of the formula is visible to you. Now double click it, you will get the formula. In this case also it is asking you what is the number for which we are estimating. We are estimating for 1. Then how many trials do we have? In total we have 20 trials. And then what is the probability of success? The probability of success is given in the G6. So it is not visible here, so I can write also. Then it is asking you whether you are estimating the cumulative or you are estimating the simple one. So we are estimating the cumulative. So I will write true, bracket close, and then enter. And if you are dragging without enter, so it will show you some problem. So we need to fix two values. We need to fix the number of trials and we need to fix the probability of success by using the dollar sign. And then after that you will drag it, otherwise it will give you the wrong value. So this is the case for the binomial distribution. Thank you.